So let me show you how to unlock your JBL Clip 5. Now, if you find yourself with a locked speaker that you're trying to turn on, and then the light is just blinking and nothing is happening, then what you need to do is, first of all, get yourself a cable. Plug one end of the cable to a power source and the other end to the Type-C port at the bottom of your speaker. Okay, now once you do that, you can confirm it's charging. And then now what you want to do is press and hold the play and Bluetooth buttons. So press and hold these two buttons until the speaker makes a sound. Okay, so press and hold. There you go. So now the speaker has been unlocked. You can now unplug the cable and then attempt to turn it on. And the speaker will go on and you can now use the speaker. Thanks for watching and good luck.